so far it's not quite clear how that works from a regulatory standpoint. And under MiCAR, those products could actually be structured in a way that they fall under the scope of an asset reference token, and then they could be marketed within the EU on this basis. So that is pretty exciting. And another thing is also that, for example, leveraged asset reference token are a thing. So there might be a possibility to really have like leveraged tokens within the EU as structured under MiCAR. Also, with MiCAR, crypto just becomes, so to say, more legit, because it will be easier for crypto projects to obtain banking licenses, access to banking services. This is actually explicitly also outlined in MiCAR, that MiCAR licensed entities should have it easier to obtain to obtain banking services, and also institutional and more traditional investors will be attracted to crypto and will actually engage more in crypto products. And maybe just one more thing to point out here is the collaboration with TradFi. Because what we see is also that MiCAR does not only hold the possibility for you to actively service the whole European market, but really also to form collaborations with credit institutions, with other like investment firms, etc., because they are really now getting interested in tapping into the crypto market now that it becomes more regulated in the EU. So that is definitely also something where we see that there's a lot of potential with MiCAR, and that's why I'm pretty excited about MiCAR. I hope some of you are too, and I would be happy if we stayed in touch. So now you can decide if it was worth connecting or not. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them afterwards. And yeah, happy to discuss.